Secwepemctsin, Family Home Learning, free online learning resources. Let's learn about animals today. Let's see what's up first. Oh look, a goose. A white, fluffy goose. Let's see what's next. A squalox. Look at the sleepy squalox. I wonder what's next. Look, it's a sneaky cyclop, ready to pounce. What does it have? Check out this swoosh. Bloop, bloop, goes the swoosh. I see a spute relaxing in the trees. This type of spute is called a secwepemctsin. Every year at the salmon run, you will see hundreds and thousands of skloutons going down the river. Next we have a cute little skaka. Aw, I like giving pets. It's a koso. Aw, they love eating their snacks. Ooh, another type of spute. It's a snina. Ooh, ooh. Something hears the snina. It's a smua, licking its lips. Do you hear that kumea? Bzzz. Up next is a creepy crawler. It's a skaggy. Ooh, it's got long legs. Oh yay, it's a cute little esjek. Last but not least is the majestic Denia. Great as jukes. Find more free learning resources at www.familyhomelearning.com.